If you are trying to solve an equation, you should always draw a line down the middle, and you should use diffcam. D stands for distribute, there's no distributing. F stands for fraction, there's no fractions. C stands for combine like terms. We should do that. We definitely have to combine like terms because you cannot solve an equation if there's two terms with an x. You can't have it. So these are on opposite sides of the line. So you circle both, and you find the smaller one. 3x is positive. This is negative 2x, so that's smaller. And we just get rid of it. If you get rid of the smaller one, you'll end up with positive x's, so it makes life easier. How do you get rid of a negative 2x? You have to use the inverse. The inverse of a negative 2x is a positive 2x. A negative 2x and a positive 2x makes 0. So now we got rid of it. But of course, because we added 2x to the right side of the equation, we have to add 2x to the left side of the equation. You always have to do the same thing on both sides. So 3x plus 2x, it's just combining like terms. 3x's plus 2x's, you add them up, you get 5x. Bring down the plus 7. Over here, all we have left is 8. So we just combine like terms. Now we have to add or subtract something. And now we have to multiply or divide something. So x equals 1 divided by 5 will give me a decimal. A lot of times they'll ask you to leave it as a fraction. So I'm not going to type in 1 divided by 5. I'll just leave it 1 over 5. There's another example I'm going to do of the same type. Variables on opposite sides. When you solve an equation, you draw a line down the middle. We always do diffcam. D stands for distribute. Nope. F stands for fractions. Nope. C stands for combine like terms. I need to do that because I have 3x here, I have 9x here. Those are like terms, and I can't solve an equation if I have two terms with x's. I have to get rid of one of them. So it's easier to get rid of the smaller one. 3x is smaller than 9x. This only works if the variables are on opposite sides of the line. I use the inverse of 3x to get rid of it. This is a positive 3x. The inverse is negative 3x. So now positive 3x and a negative 3x will make 0. So now all I have left, oh wait, if I did a negative 3x on this side, I also have to do it on this side. There. Now, so I have this 10, 9x's, take away 3x's is 6x's, bring down the minus 2. Now I should add or subtract something. And now I should multiply or divide by something. That's how you solve that kind.